In this video, I will show you how to earn free PayPal money by liking a video, which is one of the easiest ways to earn money online. First of all, I will introduce you this website, which is rapidworkers.com. As you can see here on your homepage, RapidWorker is a crowdsourced service with over 200,000 workers. It also goes without saying that they help small businesses, people and professionals create low-cost advertising and making campaignings to increase sales, better ranking, backlinks, and more. Now that you want to work on this website, go to the small jobs that are available, choose the activity you like and the assignment you want to complete, then submit proof. After that, you will get paid immediately. You can cash out via PayPal or through other methods that you can see here. Click on this button to register and it will take you to this page where you have to fill in all the required information. Enter your name, email address, password, and country. You can see from this list of countries that they accept people from all over the world. This simply shows that these techniques is something worth investing. After that, you need to confirm that you are not a robot. And just like that, you're basically done setting up your account. Remember the rules they have laid down for you and make it necessary to follow them so that you can spend more time on this site. For example, you are not allowed to use VPN or any other type of IP masking software. You are not allowed to use multiple accounts with the same IP or use shared or public Wi-Fi. You are also not allowed to use the same IP used with other accounts to perform tasks, and you may not perform tasks related to a country you are not from. So make sure you follow all these. Remember that if you break any of these rules, you may be banned. So don't waste your time tricking the system. Again, it's better to be safe. So once you've completed your profile, you'll be asked to confirm your email. So just go to your inbox and click on the link in the email they sent you. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. So your new account should look like this. Here are some important ones that I apparently forget to mention. In fact, you can get paid up to $5 just for sign up, and the earning potential on this site is absolutely incredible. In addition, you can do this at any time. There are absolutely no restrictions. As you can see when you look through the screen, there are different tasks that you can do, each with its own details, such as how much money you can earn for each task, how many minutes of your time are required, and more. Be careful of things that don't have an international mark or aren't related to a country you're not from, because it's against the rules. Now, if you remember what I said at the beginning, we're going to focus on things that involve liking video. So in the search bar here, we are going to search YouTube. You can then sort the tasks based on how much money you'll earn by completing them. To do this, simply click on most paying. We can see the most profitable task first. As you can see, it pays us $5 and only take 5 minutes to complete. And when you click on it, it will direct us to this page where we can see all the necessary information. Now, all you have to do is follow the instructions to complete the job, and you will get paid as that. You go to this page to withdraw your money. When your income reaches $8, you can receive your money within 24 hours to 48 hours by following all the instructions written on this page.